Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find passcode lock settings on your account on Telegram, easy and quick. First click on these three lines. Now click settings and now click privacy and security, and now here you will find passcode lock, and here you can enter your passcode easy and quick. And that's it for today. That's how to find passcode lock settings easy and quick, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.